Just 3 ingredients, no cooking, and it costs only $10. Let's start by adding 400 g of heavy cream to a bowl. Next, add a packet of strawberry flavored drink mix. Now, mix well until it starts to thicken. And this, folks, is the perfect consistency. Once done, set it aside for now. In a larger container, start by adding cookies. I'm using strawberry tart style cookies here. Cover the entire bottom with them. Now add our strawberry filling on top. Only use half of the filling. Spread it well, then repeat cookies, then filling. This part's optional. I'll add ganache. Skip if you prefer. Refrigerate until it sets. Now just slice and enjoy. Look how amazing this Christmas dessert turned out. A quick, cheap, and delicious treat. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks!